Hi mga Philneps, andito kami ngayon sa Rice Queen Oriental Diner and Bar para mag-celebrate ng aming 4th year wedding anniversary. Habang nag-scroll ako sa TikTok, nakita ko tong restaurant na to. Chinek ko yung mga reviews at marami naman silang positive feedback. So why not, itry din namin siya. Meron nga sila nitong chef's tasting experience na may 7 dishes ka nang pwedeng matikman. At 65 per person lang ang babayaran nyo. Kaya ito na lang yung kinuha namin. Nag-add na lang kami ng $9 para na may dessert din kami. Pagpasok mo sa restaurant, parang feeling mo nasa Chinese restaurant ka. Ganun yung vibe niya dito sa loob. Pero maganda naman yung interior design niya. In fairness, ang cozy-cozy lang. Ang daming red lantern sa likod ko mga Philneps. Tingnan nyo. Tcharan! This is our drinks. It's called Mojito Mocktail. Cheers! Sarap. Okay, let's eat. Okay, tasting time. Okay, this is the Bang Bang chicken. First bite. It's nice. Yummy ng sauce. Wow. First bite. Nice. Yummy. Sarap yung balance, no?
I like it.
All the sauce is very nice. Sarang. One bite. Yummy.
Soft, nice.
Ooh.
Also,
It's the
chili fondue. Chicken in the middle.
really nice. First bite.
Good, good.
Long bao. Ay, no.
Bao.
Gulo lang, rib bao. Parang siopaw ang lasa. Cheers. Ooh la la. What is this? Paratha with rice.
Asian slot.
This is our last course. Let's eat. It's like butter chicken, Maya. But there's coconut. Look at the paratha. Roti with peanut. Cheers. Beef curry. This is the best curry I've tried. Our last but not the least, creme brulee. This is Thai milk tea. Can taste, no?
That's good.
Nice. Chan! Thai milk tea, creme brulee. Good job. Napakasarap. The best. Sulit ang 65 each. Kaya try nyo na rin dito mga Philneps. Located sila dito sa Fitzroy, Victoria, Australia. Say bye-bye!